The year 2035, a catastrophic chain reaction of debris, the Kessler syndrome, has rendered low Earth orbit unusable. Satellites crash, communication networks fail, the space industry, worth trillions, collapses. This isn't science fiction, it's a real and growing threat. Hello everyone, we are Team ANTHROGEN, a group of 6 engineers, strategists, designers, and storytellers, united by one mission, to make space not just a final frontier, but a shared responsibility. Our strength is our disciplinary diversity. We are a systems engineer, a content lead, an AI specialist, and a business strategist, all collaborating in real time. Our journey started with a simple question. Satellites are watching Earth in real time, but why don't the people who need the data most get it in time? Imagine a farmer facing a sudden flood or a community hit by wildfire. The data exists up there, but this life-saving alert never reaches the ground fast enough. That disconnect is what we set out to fix. We are bridging the final kilometer of space data access. Our challenge in commercializing low Earth orbit lies in ensuring the safe, sustainable, and inclusive growth of space activities while addressing urgent risks such as orbital congestion, debris hazards, and environmental impacts. Here's the reality. Low Earth orbit is congested. Over 10,000 satellites and millions of debris fragments now circle Earth, threatening catastrophic collisions. This chaos risks cutting off our vital climate data, the data we rely on for global stability. This isn't just a space problem, it's a security and economic crisis. At the same time, our climate crisis is accelerating. Critical NASA data on fires, floods, and pollution often stays locked in scientific dashboards, inaccessible to local responders. Communities in vulnerable regions are left without timely alerts. We must commercialize LEO sustainably, but we must first learn to safeguard the orbital assets that safeguard humanity. Our solution is the LEO Environmental Lab, a real-time intelligence platform that fuses orbital integrity with Earth's resilience. We have built the solution on a modular design using TypeScript and 3.js to deliver 4 core innovations. 1. Space safety. A 3D map tracks debris and provides orbit health checks against ISO and NASA standards. Our system predicts collision probability and runs real-time scenario simulations using TLE and NASA APIs. 2. Climate and environment. We integrate EONet and FARMS data with our AI risk scoring model built with PyTorch to rapidly detect hazards. This AI performs digital twin simulations of flood inundation and fire spread, turning raw data into hyperlocal predictions. 3. Sustainability and ESG. A transparent ledger tracks a satellite's full life cycle and disposal, establishing a first-of-its-kind carbon credit model for eco-friendly missions. We are creating economic incentives for responsible space operations. 4. Global accessibility. The working prototype closes the loop, taking NASA data, applying AI, and sending localized alerts via SMS and low-bandwidth dashboards, delivering the intelligence in the language and format communities need. The impact is profound. For space agencies, LEO Environmental Lab reduces risk. For businesses, it provides ESG transparency for trillions in investment. For scientists, it's a powerful new dashboard. And for communities, it's the alert that lets a farmer move livestock before a flood. Our vision is bold. To build the definitive digital twin of Earth's orbit, guiding sustainable space growth for decades to come. We are transitioning the project into a functional beta that NGOs and local governments can immediately adopt. To scale this vision, we need partners, agencies, NGOs, and investors who share our belief that space and Earth are inseparably linked. Partner with Team ANTHROGEN. With LEO Environmental Lab, satellites don't just orbit Earth, they safeguard it. Thank you.